Hey, got my boy. All right, look out, look out. Have a good one. Where's at? Damn, man, that's too far, man. Where? Where? In the same spot? Where? All the way? Man, you too far, man. God damn. That's too far. You want to see the race against this Monte Carlo? Let me see what this battery looking like. They didn't retune this Monte Carlo and did put something else in it. They finna, I ain't gonna let them do. Alright, we back, y'all. Man, I need to let. Alright, look, I'll tell you what we finna go. Ah, man, I don't want to miss his pass. He coming up next. I need to see if they done changed motors or look faster than what I got. Let me see if they done. Hey, they holding the line up. You want me to pull up now? You want me to pull in the gate? I'm right there.
Nah, Chandler finna fuck him up.
Yeah, I want to be first. Come on. I'm I'm finna get him right now. Come on. They said look out. Come on, I'm finna get the head. I'm finna go ahead and let me please hope this gate open. Ah, damn. Now, Ronnie got the key. He might got it. Hey, look out. You got the key? You know who got it? We need to get in here. Ronnie got the key, y'all. Hold on, let me get in here. Let me get in my car. I'm gonna be at the gate. Yeah. Let me see something. You about to race? Yeah, I'm about to race. All right. Nah, hey, no. Huh? You can't go on this. I'm finna race for money. Huh? I don't know. What'd you say? I don't know, Q. No, not on this. I don't know. No, not on this one, Q. Not safe.
Alright, wait, so what did you say?
After this, you can't go on this one. I'm finna race for money. Alright. Ooh, yeah, that air. Hell yeah. Why this car won't move? This charge ain't trying to get into it. Man, where Ronnie is? Come on, Ronnie. Let's see what the temp is. come let me in, man. Where Ronnie at? Hey, man, I need Ronnie.
Hey, you coming through the gate for him?
Yeah.
Man.
Where Ronnie at? I need Ronnie.
What's our pot?
I don't know. I'm about to try to do it for 200 more, 300.
200.
Yeah, I'm gonna see where he feeling like. I don't want to scare him off. Oh man. Oh, they going up already, y'all. Damn, Ronnie didn't come through. Damn, Ronnie. He done fucked the money off, y'all. I would have got him, but Ronnie ain't come. Oh, Ronnie. Ronnie playing with my money. Dang. Yo, Ronnie done fucked up my life. He don't wanna fuck with me. Yo. Hey. Hey. Oh, now, do we got the gate now? Oh, let me see. Oh, he got the key? Oh, he ain't got the key. Oh, I thought he had that key. I was about to say, hell yeah. I'll go back and get that month. Damn.
$1,000 race.
$1,000 race coming up? Okay. I'm finna get him. Let me get this one first. Excuse me. I'm on E85.